Alright, so welcome back to Nomadic Wandering Star. And here we are at the world famous Fort Thompson, South Dakota. And we are at the Corps of Engineers dispersed camping site. Well, it's not really dispersed, but it's a pretty nice place. And right on the Missouri River. So we'll give you a little look at that here. There's the Missouri River. And there's a few dams out there, some nice spots, good and level. They've got a picnic table and a fire pit. And there's a neighbor set up, it's got a clam set up. And we have a fire pit and a table. There's the Wandering Star, and now we've got a name for the trailer. It's called Moon Shadow. And it's not a bad little place. There are quite a few spots in here. Unfortunately, it's not as maintained as it should be. Right over there, I don't know if you can see it, right there, there's a water jacket or a water valve, but unfortunately none of them are hooked up, none of them are working, and you can't drink it anyway because it's non-potable. And as we go down here a little ways, it is really, really nice. Let me take you out here and show you the lake. Got a bench over here that you can sit on and admire all the beauty. And they have a restroom here. It's a small little one-seater. And there's also a, what am I thinking, dumpster. There's a dumpster here. Let me see if I can get a picture of them. Yeah, there they are. Just past the front of the truck, you'll see the toilet, and then to the left of it is the dumpster. The beautiful mountains on the other side of this river. There's two dams here. One's an overflow spillway, I believe, and it's pretty nice. The place is not well maintained here. I kind of just let it go. There's I don't know if you can see it by that truck. There's a brown stick sticking out of the ground. And that's your site number. You don't have to pay for this, not here. If you go down over by the dam, between the dam and the spillway, there's a campground in there, $22 a night, run by the Corps of Engineers. And it's pretty nice. There's also a dump station down there. Unfortunately, none of the water here is potable because it comes right out of the river. So, not really a good deal to be drinking it. If you do drink it, you may want to boil it. Now we got a little bit of wind, so I don't know if I'm going to have to do a voiceover or not. Do be cautious when coming here, though. A few days ago, a man showed up in a box truck that he had converted. Real nice box truck. Isn't that nice? No fire pit. Let's just build a fire. Yeah, can't help it. But he showed up in a box truck. Been here for about a day or two. Now his story, or the way he explained it, is he was in his truck and two ladies come to the back of his truck. As you can see out there is the dam where that orange thing is, and they came to his truck. He come back out and sat on the tailgate, and a guy walked around, sucker punched him and hit him with a tire iron and stole a few items. Unfortunate. Well, tribal police showed up, and of course the county sheriff showed up, but since you're on the reservation, it's a tribal matter. And whew, look at that. Don't want to fall down there. A little steep. You know, there's a big sign out front that says no fireworks. Apparently reading is not one of the top priorities around these parts. But yeah, if you come out here, be careful of the locals. It is reservation. I think it's Crow Nation, I believe, but it's definitely nice. We're here. It's September, or it's August, pick a month, and flies are terrible and bite. Oh my God, do they bite! But yeah, it's still worth coming to. We like it. It's entertaining, and well worth the visit. There's a portable, or not portable, but there's a swing set over that way. I would say there's probably 20 sites here, maybe. And nobody bought, well, I can't say nobody bought it. For some reason, if you look it up on Google, we're at the North Shore. This is what they call Lake Sharp, or Sharp Lake. And we're on the North Shore part. And this is a loop goes through here. And for some reason, there is one devil of a lot of traffic coming through here. And they drive fast. Be careful if you got a dog or a child. So, hope you enjoyed it. You know the deal. Give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends. And enjoy. We hope to see you out there on the road. Good night. Alright, and now for the rest of the story. As Paul Harvey used to say. Back to the guy that got hit with the tire iron. His leg swelled up a little bit, but it wasn't bad. And he did alright. The cops caught the car and the two girls. They're in their 30s, I guess he said. But I don't know if they got the guys or not. And they returned some of his material. He left about 2 days ago, so we really don't know how the rest of the story turned out. Would like to find out though. But just be careful out here, people. It ain't safe. You could easily become lulled into a false sense of security. So take care of yourselves. Keep a little protection around, club or whatever. And once you settle in for the night, do not answer the door. If somebody knocks on your door, oh my God, I'm bleeding, blah, blah, blah. Tell them you're calling 911 and make like you are, or do call them. And tell them the police or emergency vehicles will be there within a few minutes. If it's legit, they'll wait around. If it's not, they'll be gone. So maybe keep that in mind. Little PSA there. Sorry, the video skipped around a bit on this story. Try to keep up. But it was definitely entertaining. And we make it a practice to watch people. A lot of locals come through Fort Thompson, so in their areas, the camping areas. So be careful. Take care of yourselves. Stay vigilant. Until next time.